Okay, you're given that this statement is true right here. And you want to prove that if that's true, then so is this. Now, in order to go from here to here, you have to use a bunch of trig identities, which are all related to the cosine of twice an angle. So this is the graph of cosine of twice an angle. And here's some equivalent functions that all match the cosine of twice an angle. So we're going to use every one of these identities. So we're going to start with the given and show, whoops, this should be an A here. Knew something didn't look right. And this should be a B. Okay, that's the given. Okay, and this looks like almost like the cosine of twice an angle, except the terms are in the wrong order. So if we factor out a minus sign, then we get the cosine of twice A, the minus sign factored out. So the given information is equivalent to telling you this. All right. Now, if we use that piece of information, can we show that cosine squared B minus sine squared B is equal to cotangent squared of A? Well, to get from here to here, we're using the double angle identity for cosine. Cosine of twice an angle is cosine squared B minus sine squared B. So going the other direction. Now I've got cosine of twice an angle can be written in terms of tangent squared like this. 1 minus tangent squared B over 1 plus tangent squared B. But we've established from the given information that tangent squared B is the opposite of the cosine of twice A. So I can rewrite cosine squared B minus sine squared B like this. And now here's the tricky part. You've got to use these last two, J and K. If I solve for 2 cosine squared x by adding 1 to both sides, then 1 plus the cosine of twice an angle can be replaced by 2 cosine squared A. And if I isolate this guy, I'll get 1 minus the cosine of 2a. In other words, I'm going to transpose this term here, this term here. And the 2's cancel out. Cosine squared over sine squared is cotangent squared a. So I've shown if this is true, then this is true. And then I transform this into cotangent squared a by using double angle identities and this given information. Okay, there you go. Pretty complicated. I hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.